The IBM SVC and Storwize family products are flexible and responsive software-defined storage solutions with innovative technologies and features. In this video, we will talk about the native IP-based replication feature that enables replication between any SVC or Storwize product that is running code version 7.2 or higher. The cost of data replication for business continuity adds up quickly when you have to buy multiple hardware equipments in order to replicate the data on your storage over a longer distance. The SVC and Storwize systems offer IP replication feature that uses native IP as the transport for volume replication. And this approach for storage-based remote replication of data simplifies the process, reduces the time required, reduces the equipment's complexity and skills involved otherwise in setting up other types of replication. IP-based replication can provide you with business continuity at minimal cost. Normally, the native IP storage replication protocol stacks are capable of high speeds only over short distances, and they do not really perform well over longer distances. Longer distances bring in increased latency and links become prone to packet losses, giving way to network performance challenges. Most of the other storage arrays that offer IP replication do it more as a protocol of convenience, and hence they often are not capable of dealing with IP network performance and utilization challenges associated with the WAN. This in turn requires additional investment in WAN optimizer solutions. On the other hand, with the integrated SAN slide network optimization technology from Bridgeworks, IBM SVC and Storwize systems are highly effective in optimizing the utilization of available bandwidth on wide area network links by mitigating high latencies. The SAN slide uses an artificial intelligence algorithm to dynamically create multiple TCP/IP streams within a physical link in order to send multiple TCP/IP data packets, and this can significantly increase the link utilization across the WAN between the two Storwize systems. The IBM SVC and Storwize family's native IP-based replication can dramatically transform network utilization, leading to superior IP replication performance and improved data currency. And the improved transfer speed can significantly reduce network costs. With IBM SVC and Storwize, you can configure replication in just a few simple and easy steps. Configure built-in network ports for replication. Configure partnership between the replicating Storwize systems. configure remote copy relationships and consistency groups, and initiate data replication. Now that the initial copy is complete, we can see that the consistency group is now in a consistent copying state. At this point, we are ready to perform a disaster recovery failover if required.